Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crying with the Heart, and I'm back with a Valentine's treat project. So, um, the thing about buying Valentines is that they're kind of expensive and, they're only going to get thrown away. So I wanted to create something very simple for my son to bring for his last Valentine's Day class treat giveaway. So I am making these little treat bags. I'm going to show you how to make them. They're super, super simple. I'm going to get these out of the way right now so I can work. And I kept it very simple because, let's face it, the kids are just going to eat the candy and throw away the cute container. So I'm starting off with just an envelope. So this is a kind of an old school project, and I apologize for the light. My light went out, and so I'm trying to film with some natural light, which is not that good, but it's the best I've got right now because I want to pack this stuff up and move on. So what you do is you go ahead and you seal your envelope. Just give it a seal. And this kind of thing, this bagalope has been around forever. Back when I was a Stampin' Up! Administrator, demonstrator, I don't know how long ago, many years ago, 15 years maybe, or more. So you've got your envelope, and then what you're going to do, I'm going to do this off camera, is you're going to cut on the edges, just cut those edges off. And I do about 1/8 of an inch, or even less, depending on how big my treat is. So once you've done that, then you kind of have this open envelope. All right. So then what you do is you take out your scoreboard, and I just found my scoring tool that I like. And what the chicken did I do with it? All right, I don't know what I did with my scoring tool, so let me find my other one in here. I just found it too. It's so annoying. Oh, I can't use that. Let's see. I've just found it, and then I put it away. So frustrating. I have like 3 or 4 of these tools, and I tend to here's one right here. This is the one I don't like. I found the one I like, but oh well. So what you're going to do is you're going to score like this. You have your short edge on top. You're going to score at 1/2 inch on both sides. So just go ahead and score 1/2 inch on both sides. And then on one side, you can do 1 inch if you'd like. I want mine to be a little longer because my treat's a little longer, my bag. So I'm going to actually cut this, or I'm going to score this at 0.75. So let's see, it's 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 inch. So 3/4 of an inch. Okay. So once you've got that scored, then you're going to go ahead and kind of fold, and fold. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to work at the sides. And what you're going to do is you're going to open this up. You're going to press that middle line, score line, down, because you're going to create a gusset. And these 2 other edges you're going to match up. And that creates a gusset. Now I had to make 32 of these. I think only has 29 in his class, but I can't remember if they've added anybody new to his class or not. So, whoops, my eyes all cockeyed. So you're gonna press that middle score line down, and then you're gonna match the 2 sides, and then you create a gusset. Okay. So then you've got this bottom edge, which you're going to fold up like so. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some tape at the bottom. And I'm going to use score tape for the top part because I really want to make sure that that stays down. So you've got that tape there at the bottom. And now I'm going to take my score tape. I do need to clean my area. It's out of control again. And near the bottom, you're going to go ahead and place your score tape. And now you've created this cute little bag that you can put a treat in. Now you could, if you wanted to, use a decorative punch at the top. You could do a lot of different things on how to decorate it. Now I'm keeping it very, very simple because, like I said, it's for a boy and they're just going to throw this sucker away. So I'm using the Dutna stamp set from Lawn Fawn because I thought it seemed very masculine to me. Not masculine, but cute boy. And so I'm going to stamp in black. Just going to stamp that. Now I thought about, being a little fancier and, cutting this out and mounting it on blah, blah. And I thought, why am I going through all of that? Because I'm making so many of them. If I wasn't making as many of them, or if this was going for, work or something like that, then I might have embellished a little bit more. But because it's just going to my kids' school and I had to make so many of them, I kept it really simple on myself. All right, you are Jossum, which I think is super cute. No love, no Valentine's Day stuff for him. I just want to keep it very neutral. He doesn't want anything to even remotely resemble love necessarily to his classmates. So, especially the girls or the boys, I guess it doesn't matter. Either way, he doesn't want to do that. So I just picked 2 colors. I didn't do any kind of shading or highlighting. I mean, whatever. I didn't do any of that because we just want to get this done and the kids are just going to tear it apart. And he doesn't want anything super fancy anyways because that's just too girly for him. So these are actually my favorite 2 colors to use for sharks. This is, I think, the perfect color for a shark. And if you're curious, it's B95 and it's called Light Grayish Cobalt. It's the absolute best. And you can use any color for down below, but I'm using a gray. This one is C5, cool gray, number 5. You could even use a lighter shade of blue. Okay, you are Jossum. And then the last thing that I do is just write, very simple, from Tyler. Okay, from Tyler. And then what I do is I put in the treat. So they're gummy bears. I bought these from Costco. And I guess I should have had more of a fish-oriented or, a bear-oriented stamp. I don't know. But there you go. And so it just fits in there perfectly because of the gussets. And it's just a super simple and easy treat bag. And it cost me nothing to make. I already had these envelopes. I already had these stamps. All I had to do was buy the candy. So really economical way to present something super cute. So it's really cute when he gives it to them. They'll know it's from him. They'll throw the bag away and who cares? It costs nothing. And eat the treat. So I hope you enjoyed this very quick tutorial. This is called a bagalope. So if you search on Pinterest or Google Images or videos, you'll see all kinds of people decorating them, all cute and fancy. So you can get as fancy or as simple as you want with it. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, the Grain of the Heart.